miss you, Mother. For my mother Gladys, for Ruben's mother Carmen, for Vance's mother Ruby, for Davy's mother Letitia, for Stevie's mother Lula May, for Kanye's mother Dr. Donda West, and all of the mothers that's gone on home to glory, we say, I wish that I could see you one more time. I wish that I could feel you one more time. I wish that I could kiss your face, but you've flown away from me. I wish that you would hold me one more time, or even that you'd scold me one more time. Dear Mom, my life I'd gladly give if God would grant your grace and just let you live. Please come to me, Mama, even in my dreams one more time. I wish that you would pray for me one more time. I wish that you could play with me one more time. I wish that you would take my hand and walk me off to school. I wish that I could hear you. Oh, how I long to be near you one more time. Dear Mom, my life just ain't the same. Ever since you left, every day I call your name. Please come to me, Mama, even in my dreams one more time. Stevie, play for the mothers now. One more time. I wish that I could taste your pie, walk in the house and smell your chicken fry one more time. I wish that I could hold you tight, dear Ma, I never let you go. My only confidence is knowing that at my home growing one more time. When I reach that place, my God's amazing grace will let me see your face one more time. One more time. Pray with me, play with me, Mama, won't you hold me please one more time. One more time. Just to see your face in my dreams, no one knows just what that means. One more time. One more time. Take my hand, walk to school, teach me the golden rules. One more time. One more time.
In the place that you know you ain't supposed to be in, and you wanna get out, but you got a little doubt, and you don't know the first thing to do, but you know you gotta make a move before the bottom falls out. Let me help you out. You don't have to stay, you can get away, you can do it if you wanna. Come on out of that corner, don't you be afraid. Come on, where's your faith? Put some work behind your feet and just believe it. Go with me. All you gotta do is put going through the same thing that you're going through every day, so you're not alone. No, you're not alone. No. But you will never know it, cause they ain't gon' show it. They will take